welcome to Ecoholics. In this video, we'll be understanding about the two types of deposits, which is based on the concept of credit creation. On the basis of credit creation, deposits are of two types. First type here is your primary deposit and the second type is your secondary deposits. Let's understand these deposits one by one. Firstly, we'll be understanding about the primary deposits. So let's understand this with a small example. ठीक है? We as a common people, हम लोग जाते हैं ना बैंक में पैसे डिपॉजिट कराने, तो वो कुछ नहीं होता है. That is known as your primary deposit. Okay? So let's now read and understand cash deposits with the commercial banks by the people. By people like us, we go to the bank and deposit some kind of money with the commercial banks, and this is nothing but a primary deposit. Okay, so cash deposits with the commercial banks by the people is known as your primary deposit. Okay, these are a part of total demand deposits of the bank. We'll be understanding total demand deposits in our subsequent slides, but you need to first understand that primary deposit are the deposits done by common people like us in the commercial banks. Okay, moving further, secondary deposits क्या होता है? Remember one thing, हम credit creation के basis पे पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, तो credit creation के basis पे पढ़ रहे हैं, तो secondary deposits क्या होता है? These deposits which arise on the account of loans by the banks to the people. अब you will think कि यहाँ तो loans दे रहे हैं, तो deposit कैसे हुआ? ठीक है, तो banks क्या करती है? कुछ amount अपने पास रख के loans देती है. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी डिपॉजिट इज बेस्ड ऑन द अजम्पशन दैट ये जो लोन दिया है, ठीक है, वो घुमा फिरा के एट सम पॉइंट और द अदर बैंक्स के पास वापस आएगा. ठीक है, तो वो होता है हमारा सेकेंडरी डिपॉजिट. ठीक है, सो दीज आर ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ टोटल डिमांड डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ द बैंक. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि टोटल डिमांड डिपॉजिट क्या होता है, लेकिन पहले क्विकली लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड प्राइमरी डिपॉजिट और सेकेंडरी डिपॉजिट में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि सेविंग्स ऑफ द डिपॉजिटर्स with the bank. Okay, secondary deposit में क्या था? Borrowing of the depositors from the bank. Secondary deposits are also known as your derivative deposits. Okay, now total demand deposits of the commercial banks. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था लास्ट छोटे छोटे sentences में कि it is primary deposits as well as secondary deposits are part of the total demand deposits with the bank. So yeah, first thing, primary deposits of the commercial banks plus secondary deposits of the commercial banks, they together give you the total demand deposits of the commercial banks. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Ecoholics. Thank you.